15 minus 3 times 4 divided by 2. 15 minus 3 will give us 12. We have 12 times 4 divided by 2. 12 times 4 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 is the wrong answer to this expression because we do not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our multiplication because multiplication comes first before subtraction, and also multiplication and division have equal priorities. So we work from our left to our right. That means we solve our multiplication first before division. 3 times 4 will give us 12. We have 15 minus 12 divided by 2. Then we have a subtraction and a division here. We work with our division first because it comes first before subtraction. 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. Then we have 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.